Gobindgarh, a city nestled in the heart of Punjab, India, beckons travelers with open arms. This city is not just a destination, it's an experience that immerses you in the rich tapestry of Punjab's history and culture, and a captivating history. Located near the holy city of Amritsar, Gobindgarh is a treasure trove of heritage, culture and modernity. The city offers a unique blend of the old and the new, where ancient traditions meet contemporary lifestyles. Its streets echo with tales of valiant warriors, spiritual gurus and the indomitable spirit of Punjab. Walking through its bustling markets and serene lanes, one can feel the pulse of a city that has witnessed centuries of history. Gobindgarh's history is intricately woven with the legacy of the Sikh Empire. The city's most prominent landmark, the Gobindgarh Fort, stands as a testament to its glorious past. This fort, once a symbol of power and resilience, now serves as a window into the region's storied history. Today, Gobindgarh seamlessly blends its rich heritage with modern advancements, offering a unique and enriching experience to every visitor. The juxtaposition of modern buildings with historical landmarks creates a fascinating contrast that is both visually and culturally stimulating. From its magnificent fort to its vibrant culture and warm hospitality, Gobindgarh promises a journey of discovery and delight. The local festivals, traditional music and dance performances add to the city's charm, making every moment spent here memorable. Come explore the hidden gem of Punjab, where history whispers in every corner, and the spirit of the past blends harmoniously with the aspirations of the present. Gobindgarh is not just a place to visit, it's a place to experience, to feel and to cherish. Dominating the Gobindgarh skyline is the awe-inspiring Gobindgarh Fort, a magnificent structure that has witnessed centuries of history unfold. Its walls, steeped in stories of valor and resilience, stand as silent sentinels to the past. Built in the 18th century by Gujjar Singh Bhangi of the Bhangi Misl, the fort was initially known as Bhangian da Qila. This name echoed through the region, symbolizing strength and strategic importance. Its strategic location and robust defenses made it a coveted stronghold in the region. The fort's architecture was designed to withstand sieges and invasions, making it a formidable fortress. In the early 19th century, Maharaja Ranjit Singh, the legendary ruler of the Sikh Empire, captured the fort and renamed it Gobindgarh in honor of Guru Gobind Singh, the 10th Sikh Guru. This marked a new chapter in the fort's illustrious history. Under Maharaja Ranjit Singh's reign, the fort underwent significant renovations and expansions, transforming into a formidable military base. These enhancements included the addition of new bastions and the strengthening of existing defenses. The fort's imposing walls, 30 feet high and 10 feet wide, encircle an area of 10 acres. These massive walls were designed to protect against both artillery and infantry attacks. It boasted 25 cannons, a testament to its military might. These cannons were strategically placed to defend against any approaching enemy forces. The fort also housed the famed Koh-i-Noor diamond and a treasury of precious jewels and coins reflecting the opulence of the Sikh Empire. These treasures were a symbol of the empire's wealth and power, attracting admiration and envy from all corners of the world. Gobindgarh's cultural landscape is deeply intertwined with its Sikh heritage. The city's proximity to Amritsar, the spiritual center of Sikhism, has profoundly influenced its traditions and way of life. Gobindgarh is home to numerous gurdwaras or Sikh temples, each with its own unique history and significance. The city comes alive during Sikh festivals, particularly Baisakhi, Diwali and Gurpurabs. Baisakhi, celebrated in April, marks the birth of the Khalsa, the Sikh Brotherhood. Diwali, the festival of lights, illuminates Gobindgarh with a riot of colours and fireworks. Gurpurabs, commemorating the birth and martyrdom anniversaries of Sikh gurus, are observed with religious fervour and devotion. The spirit of Punjab cultural extravaganza at the Gobindgarh Fort is a testament to the city's vibrant cultural scene. This festival showcases traditional Punjabi music, dance and martial arts, offering a glimpse into the rich cultural tapestry of the region. While Gobindgarh proudly preserves its heritage, it has also embraced modernization and progress. The city has witnessed significant developments in infrastructure, healthcare and education in recent years. New roads, hospitals and educational institutions have sprung up, enhancing the quality of life for its residents. Gobindgarh's economy has also experienced steady growth driven by agriculture, small-scale industries and tourism. The city is a major agricultural hub known for its wheat, rice and sugarcane production. Its strategic location and improved connectivity have attracted investments, fostering economic development. The government's focus on infrastructure development has further boosted Gobindgarh's growth. The city is well connected by road and rail networks, making it easily accessible from major cities in Punjab and neighbouring states. The proximity to Amritsar's international airport has further enhanced its connectivity, opening doors to global tourism and trade. Actively participate in various charitable activities. The city's streets come alive during festivals, with people from all communities joining in the celebrations. The aroma of traditional Punjabi delicacies fills the air, and the sound of music and laughter echoes through the streets, creating a joyous and festive ambience. Section 6: Accessibility and Tourism, unveiling the hidden gem. Gobindgarh's strategic location and excellent connectivity make it an easily accessible destination for tourists. The city is well connected by road and rail networks. It is situated on National Highway 1, which connects Delhi to Amritsar. Regular train services are available from major cities in Punjab and neighbouring states. The proximity to Amritsar's Sri Guru Ram Das Ji International Airport, located approximately 40 kilometres away, further enhances Gobindgarh's accessibility for international travellers. Several domestic and international flights operate from this airport, connecting Gobindgarh to major cities worldwide. Gobindgarh offers a unique blend of history, culture and modernity, making it an appealing destination for a wide range of travellers. History enthusiasts can delve into the city's rich past at the Gobindgarh Fort, while culture seekers can immerse themselves in the vibrant traditions and festivals. Section 7: Economic Significance, a flourishing hub in Punjab. Gobindgarh plays a significant role in Punjab's economy, acting as a vital centre for various economic activities. The city's economy is primarily driven by agriculture, small-scale industries and tourism, creating a diverse and resilient economic base. The fertile lands surrounding Gobindgarh produce abundant crops, including wheat, rice, sugarcane and cotton. These crops not only feed the local population, but are also exported to other regions. Agriculture provides employment to a large section of the population and contributes significantly to the local economy. The bustling local markets are a testament to the agricultural prosperity of the region. Gobindgarh is also home to several small-scale industries, including textile mills, metal fabrication units and food processing plants. These industries are the backbone of the city's industrial sector. These industries provide employment opportunities and contribute to the city's economic growth. The industrious spirit of the people is evident in the thriving small-scale industrial activity. The government's focus on promoting industrial development in the region has further boosted Gobindgarh's industrial sector. New factories and development sites are a common sight, reflecting the ongoing progress. Tourism is another important sector in Gobindgarh's economy. The city offers a variety of attractions that draw visitors from near and far. The Gobindgarh Fort, with its historical significance and architectural grandeur, attracts a large number of tourists from India and abroad. This fort is a symbol of the city's rich heritage and cultural legacy. The city's proximity to Amritsar, a major pilgrimage destination for Sikhs, also contributes to its tourism potential. Visitors often extend their trips to explore Gobindgarh, adding to the local economy. Section 8: Conclusion. Gobindgarh, a journey through time and tradition. Gobindgarh, the hidden gem of Punjab, offers a captivating blend of history, culture and modernity. From the majestic Gobindgarh Fort, standing tall as a testament to its glorious past, to the vibrant cultural celebrations that fill its streets with life, Gobindgarh promises an unforgettable experience. As you wander through its bustling markets, savor the flavors of traditional Punjabi cuisine and interact with its warm and welcoming people, you'll discover the true essence of this remarkable city. Gobindgarh is a journey through time and tradition, a place where the spirit of the past harmoniously coexists with the aspirations of the present. Come explore the hidden treasures of Gobindgarh and create memories that will last a lifetime.